Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel, Isabel Cooking. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy shrimps and Sujok pasta or chorizo pasta. So okay guys, oh yes guys, Ramadan Kareem. So let's start cooking. So, okay guys, preheat a frying pan over a medium-high heat and add a 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, pa-fry lang natin yung ating sujok or ang ating chorizo. And then, titik aside lang natin kasi then add in our mushroom. It's about a half cup. And our shrimps, about a cup. So, okay guys. And the next is, isusutin na natin yung ating garlic. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of garlic. It's a minced garlic, guys. Then, babalik na natin yung ating shrimps and sujok or chorizo. And then a tablespoon of liquid seasoning, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of paprika powder, a teaspoon of cayenne powder, and season generously with salt and pepper. Yes guys, a cup of chicken broth, beef broth, or seafood broth, and green and red capsicum, and yes guys, a half kilo of spaghetti noodles or 500 grams. Inalagay na natin yung ating boiled spaghetti. And yes, garnish with a handful of chopped parsley. It's an Italian parsley. And about a cup of parmesan cheese. It's ready. Okay guys. Lalagay lang natin sa ating serving plate. Oh. Okay guys. Then, mag-sprinkle ulit na tayo ng ating parmesan cheese. Oh guys, smells so good. Look at this. Smells so good and yummy. Okay guys, ang sarap-sarap na ito. It's yummy guys. Try nyo rin. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you for supporting me. And syempre, thanks to my regular and new subscribers, silent viewers, regular supporters, commenters. Thank you. I really appreciate. And yes guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. And please, remember, don't forget guys to press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Okay guys. And so yes guys. Guys, bye-bye na. Stay safe everyone and God bless. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you soon on my next video. And also, remember, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most eat recipes. Okay guys. At try nyo to guys. Napakadali at napakasarap. Oh my gosh. It's so yummy. Okay, bye-bye na.